Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Hey y'all, you got my little montage of me washing my hair. Hopefully it turns out cute because I ain't edited it yet. But hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiors Life, and you're back for another one, babe. You're back for another one. I'm energetic because I'm tired. Okay, this 9 to 5 YouTube life is kind of wild, but we're doing it. We're making it happen. You know, excuse my face because she's unhappy. I'm good, but you know. we're up. So today it's all about trimming this natural hair, baby. So you saw me wash it or whatever. So let's take her down. Yes, I like to do the t-shirt method, and then I put the towel over to really catch all the, you know, moisture and whatnot. Alright, here's your girl, natural, no product. My hair kind of grows in this shape. Also, I kind of trim it, I guess I kind of trim it like this too. Huh, now I think about it. I'm gonna just get to blow drying my hair. And we are gonna get into the trim because I like to trim it while blow dried. So let's do that. First, actually, let me show you the products I'm gonna put in my hair, and then we're gonna get into the blow dry. All right, the products I'm gonna be using is the Melanin multi-use pure oil blend. Yes, she's a keeper. I actually really like this oil because I feel like I'm just getting a lot of, because you get boba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. It's just so much easier than having multiple oils. I'm gonna use the heat protectant. This is my fave. I think she's the reason that my hair did not get heat damage when I was straightening it, because child, although I wasn't straightening it a lot, it was definitely a lot more than I usually ever straighten my hair, so I was a little scared, but seems like she's still doing okay. And then, you know, if you know me, you know. If you've been on the channel before, you know. The Rice Water Collection Moisturizing Milk by Mielle is my favorite. I don't know if it's helping grow my hair, child, but we like to believe that it is. So, yeah, that's what we're using to get this hair moisturized before the blow dry. So, just stick with me. Just stick with me.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you.
Ooh, that's what. Ooh. All right, everyone, we are blow dry. Now we're not gonna talk about the roots because the roots, they still curly, but it doesn't matter because this is just for this. So I wore this shirt just so you can kind of see what's the tea when it comes to where my hair is at now. my baby girl been growing, okay? I don't even know what I've been doing, but she's been growing, because look at my supposedly bangs. These are never that, like, everything's like the same length. What? That's crazy. All right, here's the back. Hopefully it's even, child. I don't know. Period. And we're gonna get to trimming, which is what you came here for, and I've been wasting your time, so period. Okay, so obviously first step of trimming your hair at home, you gotta get your hair blow dried. Now this is my best way to do it. I know some people do it curly, whatever. This is how I do, okay? So I like to go and try to get a straight part in the back, but generally it doesn't be that straight, so we're straight down the middle. Then go down to my ear. So just do that right there, down to the ear, and we're gonna section her off. Okay, then try to follow your finger along that same line and go down to the ear. Okay, now you got another one, which is about the same. Yeah, it's about right. We're just gonna twist the front up. Ooh, don't play with it. I gotta stay with it. All right. So now we've got our two sections. Now, if you want to be a real in-depth girl, you would split this into two more. But I've never been that girl, so we're gonna do this. Like I said, this is how I do it. So we get this. We can tangle her like so with our fingers, or you can get a comb or whatever, right? And a couple ways you could do this. You could spread it out with your fingers and go like this and get the dead ends. You can kind of see them, right? Or sometimes I just go straight down. It really just depends. Either way, you'll kind of get like your hair will be shaped. I don't know what the word is, but your hair will kind of do this. So I think I'm gonna go down. Actually, I might do both. So we're gonna go down first. So I'm pulling all the hair down, spreading it out with my fingers, trying to get it flat and like to the front, like turn it to the front and flat. Hold on, let me get a little higher. Okay, she got some length on her. So yeah, I like to go down with my fingers, until I see the dead ends that I'm looking at right now. Hold on. Make sure I don't cut off too much. It really just depends on how much you want to cut off. I know for me, I generally don't care how much. I just like to get the dead ends off. So that's kind of what I'm thinking I'm gonna let go. So we're gonna just cut straight across. And I'm gonna bring it this way, like bring it out, just to see, you know, what else we got to cut off. So I'm gonna bring it out into the side, right? Same, finger straight, and just get some more strays. Now, as you can see, we have a little bit of shape. and the ends are clipped. So now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I just do a blunt. I don't know if other people do it a different way, but it's gonna be a blunt cut for me. Obviously, when it's curly, you're not gonna see all that. So the first one is the easiest one because she's like the marker. She's the beginning. But this second one, you gotta line it up. So we're gonna go down and try to line it up. Right. And we're gonna clip. Real simple, real easy. And I think, and then we're gonna go this way. Like I said, this is more about the shape and the ends. We're not gonna call all of that, but good Lord, it's hurting my hands. But you gotta keep your fingers like together like this, or just try to keep get the hair kind of flat to cut it. All right. Here we are, going down, and yeah, this side is longer. So although I don't really want to cut off more, I will because I want it to be even. So we're gonna go down and really get it together. Getting into it. Lord, let me just stop. All right, when they start to come out of your hands at the same time, that's when they're relatively at a good length, like to each other. So you gotta grab it wherever you really want to, but I like to get by the ears. Go down, and as you can see, they're falling out on my hands at the same time. So much better, much better. Now the front can be a little trickier. It depends on what you want. So if you want your hair to be even, as you can see, even, then you'll cut to the length of the rest of the hair. But if you want bangs, then you'll cut to, I usually cut to the dead end. If I want bangs, I'll cut to like the full length of the dead end, just to make sure, you know, those are gone. Which if I did that for real, it probably would be like all the way up here, which I don't really want to do because that means, well, no, yeah, I'm not doing all that today. So yeah. So if you cut to the full length, obviously you would take a piece from here, take this piece, line it up and cut it. But if you want to cut to the bang, then you're really just cutting to the dead ends that are in your front, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna cut to the bang, but not too long of a bang, and I'm gonna just cut to the dead ends that are on the front pieces of my hair here. Okay. A cute pullback moment, which isn't that bad. And I'm just, ooh, I don't know, I still see through these, so I'm gonna cut a little more off. And see, now they're actually similar lengths. Just a little bit shorter in the front still, but that's to be expected. And we have a little more shape than we did earlier. So love that. Now let's do the other side. Alright, we're gonna go down with it. And we're gonna cut around here. On this side. We're gonna do this a cool little sweep. Okay, and now here is how this is the finished trimmed look. Yeah, this is the finished look or whatever. As you can see, it's a little shorter and has a little more shape. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holler at your girl down in the DMs, you know, the comment section, and let me know how you feel about my little trim routine. I'm definitely not a professional. Also, speaking of professional, make sure you use shears, cutting, like scissor shears or whatever, not paper scissors, okay? Because they'll mess up your ends. You got to get some actual shears. But yeah, like I said, not a professional. Obviously, this is the at-home trim when you're like maybe not going to a salon. Obviously, you need to trim your hair every couple of months. I kind of just do it as I remember to do it. If you want to see me you want to see my updated flexi rod routine, stay tuned for next week, because that is what we're doing on this blow dried and stretched hair. So yeah, see ya next Wednesday. Bye.